Hey, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey and I'm with Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota. Today I want to talk to you guys about one of the best tips that I can think of, and that is creating drop zones. So the reason we create drop zones is that, let's say you're entering a house and there's some kind of clutter that just continues to build up, whether that's shoes, keys, bags, hats, mittens, gloves, those sort of things, which can be stressful. You walk in the house and maybe there's a whole bunch of clutter the minute you walk in, and that can be problematic for some people. So in order to reduce that kind of anxiety as you step into the house, our goal is to create actual zones and areas for these items to live. Good storage for shoes, good storage for hats and mittens, coats, bags. That might mean reworking an entire area or two to make sure we can accommodate for those things. But in the grand scheme, it will reduce stress overall, especially when you're entering the house, but also as you leave, you can easily grab what you need, head out the door, and you're not wondering where your things are. So this week, I want you to focus on finding out if there's an area that's really frustrating for you, maybe really cluttered, and let's create some awesome drop zones. We'll see you next week.